Headlines: Manipur civil society stages massive demo to protect state integrity. Nagaland opposition party decries postponing meet on Naga political issue. And Ashok Leyland bus links Smart 42 Plus D-seater quick service vehicle launched in Imphal. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. Apprehensive at the potential disruption to the Manipur integrity due to the much-awaited Indo-Naga Final Pact, the Kokomi, a conglomerate of UCM, Amuko, CCSK, Harikon and Lipul, has decided to undergo intense protest to safeguard the integrity and boundary of Manipur. Earlier, Nagaland Governor and Centre's interlocutor for Naga talks, R.N. Ravi, had made it clear that the Centre wants to conclude the formal talks by October 31st, to meet the deadline of 3 months given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Poirele Marol Apunba Meira Paibi today staged a sit-in protest to show their clear stand to defend the territorial integrity of Manipur at Khoyathom Crossing, Imphal. The demonstration was staged in the backdrop of the development with regard to the peace process between the Government of India and NSCN-IM, which is likely to draw to a closure by October 31st. Placards that read, "Give peace, not peace, save Manipur," were held at the protesters. They shouted slogans for united Manipur at these crucial hours and demanded constitutional safeguard to the indigenous people of the state. President of Poirele Marol Apunba Meira Paibi, Longjam Memchaubi, accused the government of India for adopting divisive policy in its efforts to resolve the protracted Naga problem. She also said the Kokomi will intensify agitation if the proposed final pact between the Government of India and NSCN-IM harms the territorial integrity of Manipur. It may be noted that the Government of India and NSCN-IM will hold extremely crucial talks on October 24th in New Delhi. The last talks were held on October 14. The NSCN-IM leaders said that the last talks were relatively cordial. The October 14 talk dwelled solely on the issue of flag and constitution of the Nagas.
Chief Minister yauna sengdokpam toi natragadi akoi karigumba maro sakana karigumba machida thugaiba yaba Manipur saktam kaiba yaba yaura gadi akoi Manipur da laiba civil rights organization Kokomi gi matung ina akoi akan ba khongjang sangsannabai damakta koi ngasi su ima oregi ima singi lup singa akoi ngasi Manipur da laiba koi orei lai maron ni lup khuding makal loina na kan ba
As part of the mass protest spearheaded by Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi, sit-in protests were held in different parts of Manipur, including Imphal city today. As per reports, Bishnupur Bazar, Wangkai, Khoyathong and Kwakaithel and other places witnessed massive sit-in demonstration. Kokomi, a conglomerate of different social organizations, has been spearheading public alert protests, conveying a message that the Indo-Naga Pact should not impinge upon the integrity of Manipur. Students of Johnstone High Secondary School, Imphal also held a demonstration in front of the school gate and chanted slogans for protecting the territorial integrity of the state. Talking to media, Social and Cultural Secretary KSH Dhiren said that the centre must not compromise the integrity of Manipur to satisfy the NSCN-IM. He also condemned the alleged biased attitude of the Government of India.
Manipur gi apun bagi saktam sokpa yaroi amadi akhoi gi matong chadaba thawong asigi mayokta Manipur praja miyamna sangchalakpa khongjang khuding makta akhoju Manipur gi mahairoi amoina saruk yagani.
President of Manipur People's Party MPP Oinam Jugindro has criticized Naga People's Front NPF Manipur State Unit of allegedly being double standards. He was addressing media at the party office in Imphal. It may be mentioned that the Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren Singh chaired an all-party meeting yesterday, which was also attended by NPF to discuss the Naga peace talks and its possible negative impact on Manipur. All the party meeting resolved that any solution to Naga talks should not affect the integrity of Manipur in any manner. However, the Manipur unit of NPF today stated that the all-party meeting resolved to form a 7-member committee to draft a memorandum to be submitted to central leadership at the earliest. The party in a statement claimed that the stand for protection of Manipur territorial integrity, which was sent out as resolution by CM of Manipur, was not deliberated in the meet. The party strongly objects the alleged manipulation of the meeting resolution by the Chief Minister's office, the NPF statement said. The MPP President O. Jogindra further said that MPP welcomes any peaceful solution to Indo-Naga peace talks. However, the party condemns any move which may harm the territorial integrity of the state. He said that MPP stands firmly for the unity and integrity of the state.
Among Blate, Nangjasnu, Haiden Labani Adubo, Manipur party na, Sigumbutanda, see, Yokshalopaganda, the equate 2 minutes of Biaractre, Lebam si Mr. Yona, Loropo Ware, Aduda, say, Manipur territorial integrity, Kaibiaroi, Karimu Makalgi, Manipura, Nagar Territorial Council Gumba, Supra State Gumba, Getter Nagaling Mumba had no water to Madubo, Simpson Sazermani, Hivo Posemasi, Moko Handuk, Haningi, Manipura, Labor Punu Kundaminiba, ethnic groups in Jamasi. Solo hanging late.
General Secretary of MPP H. Geeta Sen said NPF Working President Robert Maram took part in the all-party meeting yesterday at the CM Secretariat. He further said that during the meeting, Robert Maram favoured the cause of NSCN-IM, to which all other party leaders strongly opposed. The NPF statement is misleading and is an act of being double standards, he said.
Government of India na piki statement laire Bharat Sarkar na Naga sing da pan Naga culture body amadi autonomous council sem bada ya pire hagre Naga gi flag tongan ba Naga gi constitution tongan talak bududi aroi bawani mamang da moina om ga thamma pot mayam yawri masigi posting ji India government amadi NSN IM na loan na lautuna kan da Manipur kai ya thok tor kadra habagi represent ni khoi lejari se aduna ngasi mak aikoi ngarang gi all political party ki meeting da loki wari ki matungina aikoi party khuding mana yana ki wari tu ki matungina ngasi aikoi drafting committee ma semre MPP yaujari adui drafting committee de koi tangai phadana Manipur shok tana ba madi Manipur shok pu yaroi da ba wari myam tasan la kan de koi mai nam concern union minister da madi prime minister koi che thana koi plan taujari Manipur People's Party sarkar kayak pai dana Manipur sem na lakshara ba Manipur People's Party ma Manipur da sasan tawra lei political party mo ne leijari ha ba si kaubi da phai ha ba si thamjage masina koi gi NSN IM amadi NPF ko mo da koi na warning taujaba ne ha ba si thamjaraga Manipur kai dana honhan biyo Manipur kai na ba silak taraga di mado koi MPP na koi lema thar
Howjuk Power Tumduna Labagi Mota, MLA on Pusna, Samana Salaga, opposition ruling it, Kenaba Tadu Haraga, Malabaki, the Manipur Kandabaya de Manipurgi, Apunbugi Satam Kain, Yaroi Haiba, Wapam Sina Mango in the Tame Haraga and the MLA on Pusna, Tawada Tabakto, Tawda Dana, Hosik, Haibung, Tauna Tawea Bagi, Mong the Labase, Koi, Parties Nayamna Pende, Ladyba, Nasigi Minister, City, and Birena, Paikalakpa, Tabak Torun Kuding Makta. Hiram siga mai lain ba thabak torun khudimakta party sina akan mamongda akoi mating pigani aba famse press media gi famda thamjari
thamada 500 crore gumba akoi illegal tax mayam ji thina adu hujuk GST lae adu mathaga train bara henkale adu akoi gi drug side are ko ana laing the paisa dab da henka kare adu na sigumba to mayam ji akoi gi ceasefire agreement ji ka ju mari leina ba adu Manipur praja de burden hoiba economy ho ba adu na ngasagi central government dagi NSN IM ga wari sanari ji loiding da khoi compensation tan ji Manipur government gi khoi gi sengau da ju khoi gi sel tum gi phim je phagana ba khoi gi demand nai tare adu maina pokachab
All India Youth Federation said it welcomes the fact that the Indo-Naga process will come to an end by this month. A press release from the Federation today, however, said it will not at all accept any outcome of the peace talks that is detrimental to the territorial integrity of Manipur and the state administration. The Federation and MSC will continue to stage agitation over the Naga Framework Agreement and CAB, the press release added. Nagaland leader of opposition TR Ziliang wrote to the Nagaland Legislative Assembly Speaker Viko O Yoshu notifying about the needs for a joint legislators forum meeting on the Naga political issue, terming it as most regrettable. Ziliang said that the members of the JLF were informed about a proposed meeting on October 4th at Rododendron Hall, Chumukedema. However, the scheduled meeting was postponed and thereafter no further notice has been served till date. He questioned as to why the meeting has never been rescheduled. Accusing the ruling bench of sidelining the opposition members on the issue, Ziliang highlighted that the JLF members unanimously constituted a parliamentary working committee comprising 32 members from both benches with the sole purpose of apprising central leaders for an early solution. In regard to the stand of the Union Government and the NSC and IM on the issue of flag and the Constitution, Ziliang requested the Speaker to call a JLF meeting at the earliest to initiate necessary action, saying that the JLF needs to urgently felicitate in whatever way it can. Imphal East District Transport Official Simon Keishing today launched Ashok Leyland Bus Links Smart 42 Plus D-Seater and Quick Vehicle Service Vehicle WOW of Ashok Leyland, the automobile giant at ISBT Imphal. The launch event was organized by Lamjingba Motors, where Managing Director of Lamjingba Group of Companies, Vaikom Hirojit, General Manager, Yumnam Roman and Chief Editor of Lamjingba Times, H. Achob Sharma were present on the dais. Speaking at the function, DTO Imphal East, Sinom Kaishing lauded Lamjingba Motors for launching the vehicles, which are fully equipped with facilities, providing quick service when vehicles are broken down during distant travel. Simon further lauded the company for providing the new 42-seater bus in the state. He expressed happiness to Lamjingba Motors for launching the new vehicles.
Emergency fire alarm yauri. Sigi posi mayamda hajik till that hajukta kanamti yaudri adu but still hajik akogi si gari sida anobo ina mechanism ina hakole adu masigi gari si sing oigara amoigara dum fajana dum sinabi yaba gari ni quick service si actually koi samna habda si akoina in billion lakpani adagi lakpasi da kamai to geda mayamda gari rakta matamda sing de rakta bi yawi aduga yam jaga chado jaga lakpi yawi ko aduda akoina masigi sina provide torokanda jaga di yongna ba thokdin jaraga akoina service tok jabani ado haiba quick service si akoi samna habda workshop ma full equipment yarabani si.
Speaking at the event, the General Manager of Lamjingba Motors, Yumnam Roman, said that the bus equipped with fire alarm is first of its kind in the state. He said the 42-seater bus is powerful and is cheapest to maintain.
Asi Lamjingba kanona finance puthoiba Ashok Leyland 42-seated adu 42-seated se motedi Manipur level lambi thong ching man gi haragadi turning da kai yamna convenient over adu yam comfortable over the gari ne ane lojai se Lamjingba smai thoraiba atei thorpa mayam ningje ai motedi yam masi thagan ngai ni maramdi Manipur si pikro lamni aduga lairaba state amani masida thau phangdaba angang sada laira su hero mayam leiri moide at least yam kharam khai di khitang di orsu mating bamangani haibje I really I appreciate.
It's time for a short commercial break, but coming up next. Myanmar Immigration Authority refuses entry of Rohingya Muslim into country. More after the break.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lagpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba imasing na setpayaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom. Moirang khom sawgaizam lerak machin natraga aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Welcome back. Myanmar Immigration Authority has refused to take back a Rohingya Muslim who had spent 7 years in a Rajasthan prison as he failed to produce proper documents at Indo-Myanmar border As per reports, the man identified as Muhammad Fayaz Ahmed, aged 47 years, reached Moreh Gate number 1 this morning along with Immigration Officer of Moreh, SDPOL Megha Chandra, Officer in charge of Moreh Police, Let Khohao Vaipai and Rajasthan Police personnel. However, due to lack of proper documents, the Myanmar immigration officials refused his entry into Myanmar. Now the man will be in the custody of Moreh Police Station until his necessary documents are arranged. One Muhammad Ataur Rahman, aged 28 years, son of late Muhammad Abdul Ghani of Borayangwi Awang Lekai, has gone missing since Monday. According to a missing complaint by his brother Muhammad Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Ataur Rahman left home for B.Ed College in Bishnupur on October 1st at around 9:30, and since then his whereabouts is unknown to the family. The missing complaint also mentioned that Ataur's mobile has remained in switched off mode. Manipur Human Rights Commission today served a notice along with a copy of a written complaint to the Managing Director, Manager of Air Asia at Bir Takenjit International Airport, Imphal, Manipur. The MHRC notice comes after a complaint filed by one Sapam Bishwajit Maitei of Sega Road, Thauda, Bhabok Lekai, Imphal under case number 128 of 2019 and one CH Dinesh of Phubala Awang Maning Lekai under Bishnupur district under case number 131 of 2019. Regarding sudden cancellation of AirAsia flight number 15780 from Imphal to Delhi on September 11 at 2:40 p.m. The MHRC has sought submission of the detailed report to the Commission by AirAsia on or before November 5, 2019. The complainants stated that the sudden cancellation of the flight without making any alternative means had violated the fundamental rights of the passengers. National Voluntary Blood Donation Day 2019 was jointly observed by District Health Society, Thoubal Association of Voluntary Blood Donors, Manipur, Thoubal Unit and Blood Bank Transfusion Unit, District Hospital, Thoubal at the Counting Hall of DC Complex, Thoubal today. Chief Medical Officer of Thoubal, Dr. N. Jayantakumar Singh and Superintendent of Police, Thoubal, Dr. S. Bomcha attended the event as main guest. Members of Voluntary Blood Association took out a rally and donated blood to mark the occasion. SP Bomcha urged that people should donate blood.
Blood cancer
To be mentioned, Medical Officer of Thoubal District Hospital, Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit, Dr. L. Dorendro, and Secretary of Association of Voluntary Blood Donors, Manipur, Thoubal, Navakumar, attended the event as resource persons. It's time for another break, but coming up next. 3-day Manipur University and College Youth Festival kickstarts. Stay tuned for more.
Ningol Singi Akanaba Kumai Ningol Chako Buna Lakpada, Tamabati Emporium na, October Kuntra Falba Chada Kuntra discount Pizabi. Akak Naba Matam Kaktamak Pizaba discount name, Ningol Singi Makal Kayagi Fige, Wankai fee, Rani fee, blouse, tops fee, Fanek Nachingba Makal Suna Fangbiragani. Ngasi Maglengsen Biraksi, Damabati Emporium, Gari Makalekai near Pakang Baford. Contact number 7085-186-485 Natraga 7005-946-596.
Kangla food product ti iram dong ya seng ma mahong. Yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi daw kana bu nei bagi. Kangla
Liklang Pare All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Amawavana Hingbagi Wahantok Leiba Chaukhatba Nungaiba Tangdu Leitaba Ketnaba Leitaba Kunai Amagidamak Leblakpa Chahi Kuntrap Mapung Parakli Liklang Pare Lagliba October Kungamari Amawavagi Kuntrarak Suva Foundation Dega Mari Leinana Sinjariba Nungairaba Ishai Nongmagi Thoramni Liklang Pare Mafam Baige Chandra Open Air Theatre Board Matamna Nungthil Pung Manga Miyamna Sungsoi Shoitana Saruk Yabiu Liklang Pare.
Welcome back. The 33rd Manipur University Inter-Youth College Youth Festival 2019 has kick-started at the centenary hall of the university today. Administrator of Manipur University, Jarnail Singh, at the opening event praised excellent talents of the Manipuri youth. He further said that they excel not only in the field of sports but also in other fields like art and culture, education and entrepreneurship. Such youth festivals provides a good platform to the young talented students, Jarnail Singh said.
My own experience has been that the boys and girls, the youth of Manipur has been the best in Northeast. Why I say best is I have seen it in the field of sports, in the field of art and culture, in the field of education. I am happy that the MUSU is organizing this youth festival and giving opportunity to all our boys and girls to show their talent. We in the university, we will support this festival with all the assistance which we can give. And I wish the festival and the MUSU and their representatives the best of luck.
MLA of Wabagai constituency Muhammad Fazur Rahim today inaugurated a Noor jewellery store located opposite Sardar Bazar Jama Masjid at Pauna Bazar, Imphal. Speaking during the function, Fazur Rahim expressed hope that the new jewellery store will cater better service to the people. Meanwhile, in a media query, the MLA underlined the importance of a united Manipur.
As a politician, when I quit Manipur, Jati Kuding Magna, Kunda Minava, Adumba, Koishida, my Jamna Sauna ladies, my tay, ni, the lady boy, Tribenda, group Anitoe, Naga Haibama, Kuki Haibama, other Muslimga, Sumena, Kunda Minavani, Masi, Jati Manana, Nusichana, Lemina Supami, Masda Amaga, my Maggie Fruki. Lady by Tongan cookies, cookie Tauja Herba, Nagasu Nagaki Tauja Herba, Muslims of Tauja Herapa Agadi, Quay Manipuricari, Batake, Adunadi, Quay Manipur, Kaiba Ade, I would say, is a politician Moena, Miang Shevata, Moena, Masi, Hanagisu, Lauduna Lai, Haiduna Lai, Quay Masi, Nuxicana, Quay Manipur, Kaiba Yaroi, Quay Manipur, Ambakaktani, Ching Tam, Quay Chilino, Hindu, Muslim Jati, Punamo, Ambakaktani.
Volunteers of Yumkaibam Athletic Development Association, Khergaon, caught a drug peddler along with 140 pieces of SP capsules and heroin last evening from Khergaon auto rickshaw parking. According to a press release from Yada today, the seized items were destroyed by residents as Imphal East police personnel failed to arrive at the spot on the time. Yada expressed displeasure against the concerned authority for allegedly turning a deaf ear to the matter and declared that the government authority should not interfere in anti-drug activities carried out by the association. Now it's time for the sports news. A three-day annual Sports Meets 2019 organized by New Life Academy was kicked off today at the Academy Complex with a beautiful march past parade. At the opening ceremony, Commanding Officer of 87th Battalion, CRPF, Uchatol Premjit Huidrom, Principal of New Life Academy, Uchatol A. Tejamani Singh, and Administrator of New Life Academy, Hobson Zimik, were present. Commanding Officer of 87th Battalion, CRPF, Premjit Huidrom, opened the sports meet. The 53rd Mr. Manipur 2019 will be held on December 1st at the multipurpose hall of Kuman Lampak Sports Complex, the All Manipur Bodybuilders Association informed today. The AMBBA in a press release also urged all sections of the society not to call any type of strike on this day in the interest of the players. Now before we wrap up, let's have a look at the bulletin once again. Manipur Civil Society stages massive demo to protect state integrity. Nagaland opposition party decries postponing meet on Naga political issue. And Ashok Leyland bus links Smart 42 Plus D-seater quick service vehicle launched in Imphal. This is all we have for now, but keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba ima singna set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirang Khom Sawgaizam Lairak Machin, natraga, ekwegi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Kangla food product ti iram dong ya seng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi mahong kangla bada ngauroi do kana bu nei bu kangla
Takadoriba Ningol Chakobada set inabagidamag quality lairaba ahongba mamalda pinabagidamag same saduna lairaba naga mapal ima kaithel opposite ki first floor da laiba showers boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhal gi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da season aba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigen
nupi gabdagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkul faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangama mafam Yam nuevo pao mana mafam masida adom adongi apama design kuding makki order sulokjari amtang lengsin biro khwai brahmapur nagamapa ima kaithelgi opposite fast floor da leiba service boutique
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari Adom-adom leijariba sanada yauriba alloy amadi elements kayagi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity galoina khanganba ngamlagani lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi hau adomgi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo akupa marol gidamak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirau
Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Haripriya Chongrang giving you news in
हाना फंगलंबा कंगला फूड की प्रोडक्ट सिंगी मथक्ता अनोबा प्रोडक्ट सिंग हाइबदी मिल्की बोल्स असोमिया मिक्सचर अमदी आलू भुजिया ने चिंगबा सिंग असी हौजिक हौजिक इरमदम की कैथेल द फंगले कंगला गी अनोबा प्रोडक्ट सिंग असी मयामसु अमुंगतंग महाउ यिंगबी कंगला
Liklang Pare All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Amawavana Hingbagi Wahanthok Leiba Chaukhatba Nungaiba Tangdu Leitaba Ketnaba Leitaba Kunai Amagidamak Leblakpa Chahi Kuntrap Mapung Parakli Liklang Pare Lagliba October Kungamari Amawavagi Kuntrarak Suva Foundation Dega Mari Leinana Sinjariba Nungairaba Ishai Nomagi Thoramni Liklang Pare Mafam Baige Chandra Open Air Theatre Board Matamna Nungthil Pung Manga Miyamna Sungsoy Shoitana Saruk Yabiu Liklang Pare
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lagpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yumpalabi, ahal oiraba imasing na setpayaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom. Moirang khom sawgaizam lairak machin natraga aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tobirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
कंगला फूड प्रोडक्ट ती इरमदम गी असेंगमा महाउ येंगियो गार्लिक मिक्सचर खतनतना कंगला गी अनोब फूड आइटम सिंगी महाउ खंगलबदा ngauroi कनाबु लेबगी कंगला
Lakadoriba Ningol Chakobada set innabagidamak quality leiraba ahongba mamalda pinabagidamak sem saduna leiraba Nagamapal Ima Kaithel opposite ki first floor da leiba Showers Boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhalgi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da seasonaba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigen
nupi gagdagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pant shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkul faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangaw mafam Yam nuayo pa mana mafam masida adom adom gi apama design kuding makki order slokjari amtang lengsin biro khwai brahmapur nagamapa ima kaithel gi opposite gi fast food da leriba Showers Boutique
she